Welcome! In front of me I have HAYLOU RT, and I'm gonna show you how to set the watch face with the custom image on this device. First we need to open the HAYLOU Fun app on our phone. In the app we need to tap on this icon right here to open the list of devices. On this watch icon, of course, right here. From the list, let's select our HAYLOU RT by tapping on it. Here let's select dial settings, then tap on custom dial, and here we can set up a custom watch face. Basically we can tap on select picture, and now we can choose to take the picture with the camera or select the picture from the gallery. I'm gonna select the second option, photo album. And now I'm gonna tap right here to open the list of folders. Gonna select download folder and then select the photo I want to use for my watch face. And here we can crop the image. Basically we can resize this frame, and what's in this circle right here is gonna be on our watch face. And you can move this circle around, resize it, and once you're done cropping the image, tap on the crop button right here. Here we have a preview of our watch face, as you can see, and right here below the select picture we have font color, and we can select the color of the clock on our watch face, as you can see. Let's select white, and once you're done, simply tap on online sync plate button, and let's wait. And here we have our watch face. After some time it's gonna be automatically applied on our watch, as you can see. And that's how you set the watch face with the custom image on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.